What's up guys, today I am going to show on 5 best magnetic USB fast charging wire from Aliexpress in 2020. Magnetic USB cable fast charging USB Type-C cable magnet charger data charge micro USB cable mobile phone cable USB cord. Please subscribe my channel, click the bell and like comment my video. Let's go. Number 5 is Baseus USB Type-C cable for Samsung S10 S9 Quick Charge 3.0 cable USB-C fast charging for Huawei IP30 Xiaomi USB-C charger wire. This product has 35,099 reviews and 66,218 orders. The price is US 1 cent. 1.99 features of this product. Brand name Baseus. Surface material nylon. Maximum current 3A alloy. Connector material aluminum alloy and TPE and nylon. Braided wire color black/gray/red. Output current 2M/3M 2A max. Data transmission 480 Mbps. Output current 0.5 M/1M 3A max. USB standard USB 2.0. So this is the best option for you to buy. The next is number 4 is TOPK micro USB Type-C cable 3A fast charging for Samsung Xiaomi mobile phone data cable Type-C for Xiaomi Redmi Note 8. This product has 3,621 reviews and 16,895 orders. The price is US 79 cents. 2.49 features of this product. Brand name TOPK. Maximum current 3A. Surface material nylon. Features alloy. Connector name TOPK. USB cable color blue/sliver. Output current 0.15 M/1M 3A max. USB cable for Xiaomi Huawei Samsung LG. So this is the best option for you to buy. The next is number 3 is YKZ 3A LED micro USB cable fast charging Microusb charger date cable wire for Samsung Huawei Xiaomi cord Android mobile phone. This product has 20,650 orders. The price is US 69 cents. 1.90 features of this product. Brand name YKZ. Micro USB surface material nylon. Illuminated with LED indicator color gray, black, blue, red. Maximum current 3A. So this is the best option for you to buy. The next is number 2 is Essager magnetic micro USB cable for iPhone Samsung fast charging data wire cord magnet charger USB Type-C 3M mobile phone cable. This product has 42,065 reviews and 50,955 orders. The price is US 99 cents. 4.99 features of this product. Brand name Essager. Lightning micro USB surface material nylon. Magnetic alloy. Connector with LED indicator material aluminum plug and nylon cable. Fast charging and data transmission charger color black, silver, red. Magnetic cable /magnetic charge/magnetic. So this is the best option for you to buy. The next is number 1 is USLION 3A USB Type-C cable fast charging wire for Samsung Galaxy S8 S9 Plus Xiaomi Mi9 Huawei mobile phone USB-C charger cable. This product has 25,168 reviews and 63,427 orders. The price is US $1.44. 2.94 features of this product. Brand name USLION. Maximum current 3A. Surface material nylon cable for Samsung S10, S9 Note 9, Xiaomi Mi 8, so this is the best option for you to buy.
Thank for watching this video. If you do not see my last videos, you should see this. Please like, comment, share my video and don't forget to subscribe my channel.